Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Also a warm welcome to those that haven't been watching my videos. If you're new, welcome, subscribe, comment and share. Today I'm doing a small DIY job. I'm mounting this on the wall. This is basically a wireless router, broadband wireless router, and I've been using it for a couple of months, and it's been sitting on a desk, but I want to wall mount it so that I get better signal reception in other rooms, as well as keeping it neat and tidy. You can see that how messy my cabling is over there, so I want to tidy up all those cables, put them in proper cable trunking. Yeah. My main piece of kit is this bracket that I got on eBay. You can get this on Amazon. It's widely available online. Basically, when you're ordering these, you have to be very careful because there's different sizes for different wireless hubs. The first thing I did before I made the order was to check my model number at the back of my router. So mine is an ER115. So it says on the box that this fits in ER110 and ER115. So what else will you need for the job? For my mini project, I'm going to use spirit level to make sure that my trunking is straight. Stanley knife, .90 square. There's my mini work table, and of course the trunking itself. These are 16 by 16 millimeter square trunking. So the first thing that I need to do is find out how much length I need, and also make sure that I've got the proper accessories, because I'll need some 90-degree bands. So what I'll do there is I'll have a straight, probably something like 1.5 meters. I'll use a tape measure to get the exact measurement. Then possibly add an extra, let's say 15 centimeters along the wall from that wiring electrical power socket. Then I'll put a 90-degree band going up to my location on the wall. What I'm going to do, since we've got two of these, we've got a data cable and a power cable. instead of putting two trunkings. I'll just use one. Anyway, it's a short, very short distance. I don't think I'll have much interference between the electrical power cable and the data cable. So basically I'll put a T-piece down below the socket. No need to worry because this is not a drill job. So I'm not going to be checking any piping underneath the wires using some wire detector. There's no need for that because I'm only using this stick-on mounting. Now let me show you how those accessories that I was talking about work. This is a coupling, a straight coupling, and this is a T-piece. So if I'm plugging on, connecting two sections together, this is what I do. And the trunking itself is made of two parts. There's the bottom part where you peel the adhesive tape, which sticks to the wall. Then there's the top part, which is the cover. The cover just slides on top of the bottom section. You can just slide it. So if I'm connecting two sections together, let's say through a T-piece, I just slide that bottom section over. Just like that. So on my T-piece there'll be 3 pairs of hooks. So one section goes there, another there, and another there. So your end result will be something similar to this. A concealed junction, basically. So this is the part that's going to stick on the wall. Basically a Velcro strip. You remove the sticking parts on either side. Then one side, this side I'll stick to the wall, then this side I'll stick to the mounting kit. Without using any screws, without any drilling. Now I position my trunking in preparation for cutting. Then I take my measurements. And just hold it in position. Right. Now that it's firmly secured, I need about 164 centimeters. I can choose that end. I'm 64. I'm marking the 164 with my cable knife. Right there. Let me see if I can use the knife itself to cut. If not, I'll look for a saw. I need to sew. Change my mind again. Just don't like the sew marks, so rather just cut this slowly with a knife. Yeah, it's more of a clean cut than a sew. So I'll do the same for the other 3 pieces. One should be 20 millimeter, the other 15 millimeter, and the last one 1.4 meters long. I'm going to secure one end of the T-piece. Remember, this is the part that will be located just below the electrical socket. Okay. So one piece left now at the top. So what will be left for me is to remove the mounting strips there. I need to remind you is you need to cut off about 20 millimeter either end of the top part of each trunking that goes to the T, because these are the offcuts that result from one end being joined to the T. I've just discovered that I don't have enough T-pieces for my other job in another room, so instead I've drilled a hole on the side so that I can put the power cable through. So this piece will go straight there, then a 90-degree elbow, then the power socket there. Power cable isn't that thick, it's just a single pair cable.